and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I am gonna share with you my collective Black Friday haul. I have a lot of products. Actually, I thought I don't have so many products to show you, but when I've collected everything, I would probably think that I will also split this video in two parts if I will see that it's too long after I will edit it, because as I'm also posting my Vlogmas videos during this period, I don't want to overload you with my long content. So I believe, I'm not sure, but I believe this video will have will be in two parts. So what I'm gonna share with you today are products that I've ordered over AliExpress. I have some products that I bought from my local drugstore that also had sales on Black Friday, and the rest of the products are from Look Fantastic. Actually, the AliExpress products I've ordered earlier, but it happened they arrived to me around Black Friday time. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and you can give it a thumbs up, and also please leave me a comment. It helps my channel to be pushed on the searching engine of the YouTube algorithm. So for us, the small channels, it's really difficult to be noticed, to be pushed if we don't have enough likes and comments and things to show YouTube that we are really worth to be promoted. So thank you so much if you'll do that. And now, because I've already mentioned the AliExpress, I'm gonna start with this store because I only have 3 items. No, starting to each, of course. I have another product, but it's downstairs. I will insert a picture of that. So I was really in love. I think 2 years ago I've ordered one lash curler over AliExpress, and I've used it maybe 1 year, more or less, and the pad was starting to break, so it was clinging and pulling my lashes, so I had to throw it out. So I all the time wanted to order it, to repurchase it from AliExpress, and I was forgetting. And now I'm happy that this product is also coming with some backup pads. So I have how many? 6 pads. So I think it would last me a while. So what I love so much about this curler is that it is rather small. And I have another lash curler that I just purchased from Look Fantastic, spoiler, but this is smaller and it's able to hug my entire lash bed because I don't have so big eyes, and I really feel that it gives a really good curl. So I hope this is the same because they are looking the same. I was not able to buy it from the same store, but I bought something similar, and I do hope it's the same product. Next I got those things, and let me pull one out. These are some clips, and you can soak your nails, especially if you are wearing gel nail, I think gel nail polish or glitter, and you can soak and keep it like this just to give some time to melt. Especially the glitter, it's really difficult to just remove it with cotton pad and acetone, so you need to soak it. So I was usually using aluminum foil, but I thought those are more convenient and easy to use, hence I wanted to have a bunch of this, and I think there are 10. Yeah, so there are 10 or 10 fingers. I will link all the products from AliExpress on my description box in case you are interested to purchase them, because I don't know the brand names, but I will copy the link from my checkout order. The next product is this hand mirror, and I want to try not to blind you with this. It's like a copper shade, and the back is probably the part you will mostly see in my tutorials, and actually it's really handy and comfortable to use it as you are doing your makeup on camera, but not only for that. And the fourth and the last product that I got over AliExpress, I don't have it with me, I will insert a clip. There are 10 plastic protection for your face mask. So for example, if you are going out and you are wearing your mask, you get in the car, just to not put your mask back on your purse or leave it somewhere hang on the mirror like I've seen other people do. Just put it and fold it on that pocket, and it will be safe and more hygienic. Now let's go faster to the products that I purchased over Roseman. So they also had 50% discount on Black Friday. So I repurchased my NYXProof eyeshadow primer. I know that this is sealed, so I will not open it, but I have mine that I even used today, and it's a transparent Doe applicator eyeshadow primer, and I really love it. I don't want to insist more, but if you want a affordable product from the drugstore, I can highly recommend you that. Then I've got this Max Factor Radiant Lift Long Lasting and Radiant Concealer in the shade Fair. And also I'm wearing it today, and I want to tell you guys that this concealer is fantastic. So it doesn't crease, doesn't move, lasts all day without any problem. I also use it on my yesterday makeup tutorial for the Vlogmas, which is going to come up tomorrow. And by the way, speaking about my Vlogmas challenge makeup, I just had some issue with one of my eyes. I think I got some infection from one of the old liners that I've used around my waterline area last week, and on Monday when I filmed my purple makeup look, I've noticed that I have infection, so I stopped filming. I filmed that video. I even took some small footage. If I have that, I will insert. I thought it's gross to show you on that tutorial, but I stopped filming and I waited for my eye to heal, and from that reason I didn't film anything until yesterday, so 4 days without any product. And even today I did a very light makeup, and I don't have anything on my lower lash, not even mascara, and I'm also not wearing any foundation. I think my skin is looking amazing, and I don't know exactly the reason, because I've recently incorporated, I think, a couple of products on my nighttime routine, and I'm not sure exactly which one it's the actual guilty, or maybe they are both, but I find that my skin it's looking great, and I thought I don't need foundation. I wanted to be more natural. I'm only wearing concealer, powder, bronzer, and a bit of a blush. But yeah, let's return to our haul. So what else I bought from the drugstore? I bought the Maybelline Cills Sensational Mascara. I hope it's the one that I used to love. That one was multiplying mascara, because I'm planning to film a dupe video, and this is a dupe for a high-end mascara that I love so much, so I won't open it today. Also, I said that I want a new lash primer, and I got this from the Max Factor False Lash Effect Max Out Blue Primer. Okay, I'm not going to open it now because I'm planning to test it, but I'm not sure. Maybe I will do it over one of my makeup challenge vlogmas, so I will do it with you on camera, probably on next week, during next week, so stay tuned for that. I've got this L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation in the shade Ivory, and I'm really excited about that because I have also bought the True Match foundation from iHerb. I placed another order on iHerb. Actually, I'm not going to show you that now. Maybe I will do a separate haul later, because I have another order that I'm waiting from iHerb. So I had the foundation that is sold in US, also the True Match foundation, and I also have a couple of products that are sold in US, and I'm planning to do a comparison video about those products that are sold in US versus the products with the same name sold in Europe. So I think it will be interesting even for me to see if they are the same formula. So stay tuned for that. This is Cills, as you can tell. I didn't use it. And I have bought another shade of the L'Oreal Matte Lip Crayon. I have it in the shade Sweet and Salty. So I've showed you on my previous Roseman haul that I got this red one, and I was not able to find the shade, and I thought that I got the tester. It's not the tester, so the shade is actual here. But when I ripped the plastic, the shade was pulled together. So now I've seen that, and I just took care not to remove the actual shade name. I've only filmed 14 minutes and I finished my 2 stores haul, and together with rambling I think I will make like 10 minutes out of this. So I'm not sure if I will do 2 videos or 1 video so far, but now I'm going to show you what I've bought over Look Fantastic. So Look Fantastic had a Black Friday deal, but I actually bought those products. I placed the order on Cyber Monday. So with order over £100, you would also get a treat bag, a goodie bag for free. So I also want to show you that. But what I purchased, I got those blotting paper, T3 blotting papers from Brushworks, and those were really inexpensive. So you actually, I think they should be really easy to open. Yeah, so you pull out and take one paper, and they are green, and they have a slight scent of the tea tree. So love these. Then you remember that I was talking about lash curler, so I also got the Brushworks eyelash curler. Oh, so finally I got it out. Look at it, isn't so cute? So he has purple legs. I know those are not legs. Comparing with the one from the AliExpress, actually is not too big. Just the only difference about this is the fact that now I realize why I like it so much, because this is more curved. I've got some obsession for lash curlers. So what can I do? I've got 2 products from L'Oreal. They were sold together, so I was hoping they were in a gift bag or so, but they were just separately. So this is the L'Oreal Brown Instant Root Concealer Spray. So I go through this really fast. They say up to 25 uses, so I think it's fair. So I only use it on my front, and I mostly have here some grays that I need to cover, and maybe a bit on the right side. And guys, until 2020 almost did not have any gray. So I'm 43 years old and I was not struggling with grays. So what this year bring to me, my mother, dad, and this pandemic situation, I think it somehow, the stress and all the things that we are going through have made me have more grace, because I know those are also some factors that can accelerate your gray roots. So yeah, that's the problem. And then I seen this and I thought it's really nice because some of the hairs cannot be covered with spray. So this is a mascara for your hair. So this is how the brush looks like. I'm wondering if it's also working for your eyebrows, but don't try that. I will just make this claiming without knowing what I'm saying. So I'm really willing to try them and I will let you know. Actually, the spray I really love. Now I have another one from Cills, which is fairly equally as good, and I feel that it lasts me more, but I always loved the L'Oreal one. So yeah, those are these. And then, oh, I forgot. And actually, why I've shopped from Look Fantastic. I had my eyes on this brush set from over 1 year.